Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of chapter number 8. In my previous video, I have already explained that what is pronoun and its kinds also, and I have explained some exercises of this chapter. And today's video I'm going to explain the next remaining exercises, and I will also explain that how could you write these given exercises in your notebook. Okay students, so without wasting time, let's start the video. So first of all, you all take out your Tune into Grammar book and open chapter number 8, that is pronouns. Okay. So in this chapter we have already completed the exercise that is given on page number 45. Dear student, first of all, there is an exercise. Read this passage. Replace the highlighted words with pronouns. Okay. So, as we all know that pronoun words are he, she, it, they, we. And we all know that pronoun are the word that we use in place of noun. Okay. So, here is the Rakhi is my close friend, and after that Rakhi and my. So, what would be right here? So in place of Rakhi and my, we have to write our. Our, we have to use the pronoun word our. Our tastes are the same. Now the next is Rakhi and I. So we have to use in place of Rakhi and I, we have to use we. Okay. Rakhi and I, in place of Rakhi and I, we have to use pronoun word we. Now the next, we like swimming and playing basketball. Rakhi and I, again, in the place of Rakhi and I, we have to write we. We also travel a lot together. Rakhi. So for the Rakhi we have to write C. Okay. C is fond of chocolates and ice creams. Rakhi eats chocolates and ice. So here in place of chocolates and ice, we have to use pronoun word. We have to use pronoun it. Okay. It whenever she can. Rakhi and I. So here again we have to write we. We both have younger siblings. Rakhi and my siblings. Here we have to write we. We have to write here they. Okay. Rakhi and my siblings. In place of Rakhi and my siblings, we have to write the pronoun they. Often play together. Rakhi and I. So here we have to write we are best friends forever. Okay student. So like this we have to use pronoun in this given highlighted words. Okay. Now moving to the next, that is exercise A. In this exercise there is a underline the subject pronoun in each of these sentences. Also provide a suitable object pronoun. One has been done for you. So student, here we have to write I purchased a bicycle for him. In second, we will call dash. So here we have to write them over for tea. Third, you gave a watch to dash. So we have to write the pronoun that is me. In number 4, he returned the map to her. Here we have to write pronoun her. Okay. In number 5, she called the two of dash home. So here we have to write them. T-H-E-M. Them. We have to use the pronoun that is them. Okay. We have to use the pronoun object them. Now the next, come to the next, page number 46. On page number 46, it was barking at dash. So we have to write me. M-E, me. In number 7, I bought 2 ice creams for dash. So we have to write here them. T-H-E-M, them. Okay. In number 8, we must include all of dash in our assembly. So we have to write here on the given blanks them. T-H-E-M, them. Okay. In number 9, they at lunch with dash. So here we have to write me. In number 10, you cannot blame dash for the mistake. So here we have to write me. Okay student. Now moving to the next exercise. In next exercise, what will we write? So we have to write in next exercise, that is exercise B. Answer this question using pronoun as subject and object. One has been done for you. So you have to check the given example, that is, do you like vegetables? So we have to write the answer no, I don't like them. So here we have to use the given pronouns, that is I and them. Okay. We have to use pronoun as a subject and an object. So I is a subject and them is a object. Now come to the second. Did I give you the ball? So what will we write? So we have to write subject you and object it. So the answer will be yes, you gave it to me. In number third, are those magazines for you? So what will we write subject and object for this given sentence? So we have to write no, they aren't for me. So here we have to use they for subject and me for object. Okay. In number 4, does Tina love Chinese food? So the answer will be yes, she loves it. Okay, so the subject will be she and object will be it. Now number 5, will you go to the party with me? So the answer will be yes, I will go with you. So the subject will be I and object you. Now the next question, question number 6. In question number 6, does he know his neighbors? So the answer will be yes, he knows them. So the subject is he and object them. Okay. Now the next, does the dog belong to him? Does the dog belong to him? So the answer will be yes, it is her. So what will be used? The subject. The subject will be it and object will be her. Now the next number 8. Does the child belong to that lady? So we will write subject it and object hers. Okay. So the answer will be yes, it is hers. Okay. Number 9. Are these tables laid for us? Question number 9 is, are these tables laid for us? So the answer will be yes, they are laid for us. So here we have to use subject they and object us. Number 10. Did she call you? So what will we write? No, she didn't call me. So here the subject she and object me. No, she didn't call me. Okay, student? Now moving to the next exercise. After completing exercise B, we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise C. In exercise C, choose the correct option to complete its sentences. Okay. So first is, dash are baskets bought by me. So they are dash. So which option is correct according to the given sentence? So we have to use option number B, that is this and mine. So on the first blank we have to write this and in second we have to write mine. Okay, so the first will be subject and the second will be object. So the sentence will be, these are the basket bought by me, so they are mine. In number second, dash is the club dash visit. So we have to choose the option number A, that is this is the club she visit. Okay. In number third, dash is the food dash eats. So we have to choose the option number C. So it will be, this is the food it eats. Okay. Now number 4, dash are toys dash bought. So we have to choose option number A, those are toys he bought. Okay. Now the next number 5. In number 5 the sentence is, dash is the dog dash took to the hospital yesterday. So we have to choose the given option number B. So the sentence will be, this is the dog we took to the hospital yesterday. In number 6, dash are the famous temples built by them. Built by dash. So we have to choose the option number C. So the sentence will be, these are the famous temples built by them. Okay. In number 7, dash are the gloves dash wears. So we have to write, these are the gloves she wears. Now number 8, dash is the question dash ask everyone. So student, we have to choose the option number C. So the sentence will be, this is the question she ask everyone. Now number 9, dash are the storybooks I will give. So the option number A is correct. So it will be, these are the storybooks I will gift her. Okay. Now the next number 10, the last one, number 10, dash is the boat he bought for his family. It is dash. So the option number A is correct. So it will be, this is the boat he bought for his family. It is theirs. Okay, student. So now we have completed these exercises. So you also write down these given exercises in your notebook. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise D. And what will we do in this given exercise? So student, identify the errors in these sentences and rewrite them correctly in your notebook. So we have to do this given exercise in notebook with a good handwriting. Okay. So for that you all take out your notebook and mention date of today and start the writing of this given exercise. So what will we do? First of all, we have to identify the errors. So we have to identify the errors in book, and after that we have to rewrite this given sentences in notebook, okay, correctly in notebook. So there is a first, Lena is going to study. He is sitting for her examination tomorrow. So in the place of he, we have to use she, okay. In second, the dogs are barking loudly, it are disturbing me. So in place of it, we have to write they, okay. In third, Sonu and Monu live in his house, this house is hers. So in place of hers, we have to write his, okay. In number 4, my cousins are in town, I will visit him. So in the place of him, we have to write them. In number 5, Ruby and I bought this book is theirs, so we have to write hers, okay. In number 6, she played with the doll as it was his, so we have to write here her, okay. Now next, number 7. In number 7, a cat ate fish, he also drinks milk. So in the place of he, we have to use she. In number 8, he bought this pen, so it is hers. So in place of hers, we have to write her. Number 9, my sister likes to eat with I, so we have to write in place of I, me, okay. In number 10, my father always buys good books for I to read me. She encourages me to read. So in place of I, we have to write me, and in place of she, we have to write he. Okay students, so let's rewrite this given sentences correctly in notebook. So what will we do? First of all, we have to take out our notebook and mention date of today and chapter number and chapter name also, okay, chapter's name also. So like this, we have to mention the heading. First of all, we have to mention the heading, that is identify the errors in these sentences and rewrite them correctly in your notebook. So student, the first is Lena is going to study. He is sitting for her examination tomorrow. So the sentence will be Lena is going to study. She is sitting for her examination tomorrow. Now the next, in number 2, the dogs are barking loudly, it are disturbing me. So we have to write the dogs are barking loudly, they are disturbing me, okay. In number 3, Sonu and Monu live in this house is hers. So we have to write Sonu and Monu live in this house is theirs, okay. Number 4, my cousins are in a town, I will visit him. So we have to write my cousins are in town, I will visit them. In number 5, Ruby and I bought this book is theirs. So we have to rewrite this given sentence like this: Ruby and I bought this book is hers, okay. Now the next, number 6, she played with the doll as it was his. So we have to write she played with the doll as it was her. 7, a cat ate fish, he also drinks milk. So we have to write a cat ate fish, she also drinks milk. Now the next, number 8, he bought this pen, so it is hers. So we have to write he bought this pen, so it is his. Number 9, my sister likes to eat with I. So we have to rewrite this given sentence like this: my sister likes to eat with me. Now the last one is number 10, my mother always buys good books for I to read. She encourages me to read. So we have to write my father always buys good books for me to read. He encouraged me to read. Okay students, so like this you have to write this given exercise in your notebook, okay student. And after that, your homework is you have to write this given exercise D in your notebook, and you have also write about pronoun and its kind with example, okay student. Dear student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you write this given exercises in your notebook and how could you complete this given exercises in your book. So dear student, that's it for today, and your chapter number 8 is over now. Now next video I'm going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 9. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video, okay student. Thank you.